The job we're doing is basically the same job I do every day. It's not a whole lot different, but knowing that the stakes are a little higher, so to speak, and that it is going to be on a world stage and people are going to be seeing it, and you just get that feeling of you just want to go in there and you just want to charge hard and make sure that everything is perfect. You want everything to go the way you know it can. We keep everything at this golf course in tournament standards every day of play. So every guest gets the same experience as the professional golfers do when they come out here. It's fun getting up in the morning going to a tournament because it's like, yep, this is where everybody gets to see what we do all the time. If they see a perfectly groomed golf course out there, that's all good. I'd like them to know that there's a lot of work involved, both the rest of the staff who actually does the mowing and just the maintenance of the equipment that goes into that. But the reality is, if they're looking at the golf course and saying, wow, this place looks awesome, that's the best feeling in the world, knowing how people appreciate what they see on the far side. We do get a lot of extra equipment just to handle the volume that we're doing during tournament year. We got some 50-10H fairway mowers. This is my first experiments with the hybrid and the electric cut and the adjustable clip rate, and I think it really does nice. They're quality machines, I like them. So if the course is looking really good, I'm happy with what's going on in here. And the other thing is equipment availability. At any given point in time, I like for every piece of equipment on this facility to be ready to go and ready to use. I have one mechanic who works with me full-time. His name's Matt Holler. He's been in the shop here for 4 or 5 years now. He started out as a crew, working on the crew, worked into a crew leader position, and then was the irrigation technician for a little while, and then he decided to try his hand at working as a mechanic, and he's spot on. He's a great guy to have. I can let him do whatever needs to get done, and I don't have to worry about it. For the course of this week, we're also using the technicians from over at Black Wolf Run. So Black Wolf Run has 3 technicians in their facility, and they'll all spend a couple days here during the course of the tournament helping us out with adjusting the mowers and whatever else needs to get done, and just taking in the environment a little bit and enjoying some of the fun out in the tournament and the fun that happens in this facility. A lot of people, as they see the tournament, and they think it's great, and they don't understand the fun that happens around here. It's a lot of work, but a lot of the volunteers are previous employees, so you get to see them back again, find out where they went to, what they're doing, what their career path looks like, and to be able to honestly watch it on TV and say, yeah, I had a part in doing that. And with this Ryder Cup is kind of a little different breed of animal from all the other tournaments that we've done here. So there's going to be a lot of energy and a lot of charge involved, and everybody here is just fired up to do their job and see what happens, see how this goes off. It's going to be great.